Hi there, my name is Iko Uko and you're welcome to the 1Q Food Platter Kitchen. Today I'll be making coconut curry rice. You know, I like this combination of white rice with the curry sauce, the type you eat at Nigerian parties. I just like the flavor profile of that dish. And I thought, why don't I combine everything into one pot? And that's what I'm doing today. So join me as we go through the preparation of coconut curry rice. First off, I'll heat some coconut oil. For me, I like to make my coconut oil at home. I know some people will say, oh, that's too much stress. But I like to make my coconut oil at home. But if you can, and if you find, absolutely buy good quality coconut oil. And the reason for the coconut oil is to bring that extra coconut flavor to this dish. So I'll heat up the coconut oil and then we get going. I have some interesting spices here. I have my fennel seed. There is something that the fennel seed brings to this dish which separates it from your usual coconut rice. So first off, I'll actually toast my fennel seed just a little bit in the oil because this helps it to release the flavor, but you can actually dry fry the fennel seed and then add the oil and continue. So we'll allow this to heat up and let the aroma of the fennel seed come through. You can help it along by, just frying that to release a lot of the flavor. So this has been frying. Next, we'll add some curry powder. The whole idea, like I said, is to release the flavor of the spices. Well, didn't we say that this was coconut curry? So we have quite a bit of curry in there. But stir so it fries and releases the curry flavor. And immediately, I would add my onion. And some pepper. I like quite a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. You can lower the heat at this time just so the onion cooks right through. Whilst that is cooking as well, I will add the prawn. I had, jumbo prawn, so I cut this into pieces. And guess what? I'm dropping the prawn head in there for additional flavor. When the dish is cooked, I'll take out the prawn head. So you fry that. Just allow that to fry whilst I deal with the coconut milk. Well, you can use canned coconut milk, but I prefer to use the real coconut because there's something it brings to this dish for me which the coconut milk doesn't. But like I said, you can use the coconut milk and dilute it just so enough for it to cook your rice. So I'll sieve this out. So that we have water to cook the rice with. So the quantity of coconut milk you require will depend on the rice, the quantity and the type of rice. I think we have enough liquid with which to cook our rice. So we proceed to fry the rice. I'm using basmati rice, but you can use any rice that you want to. I just toast the rice. in the little oil and all the prawn goodness and all the spices, just so that that is absorbed into the rice. So you allow that to toast for a bit. At this point, I'll add a little salt and a little stock cube. And continue to stir. The thing about this dish is that I find that there's a very nice balance between the curry and the coconut milk, the coconut flavor rather. So you will enjoy this and you will thank me for it. So let's just allow that to toast for a bit, and then we come back and add the liquid. So I'll gradually add the coconut milk. Because this is basmati rice, I'm also careful on the quantity of water I use, a little at a time, and you cook on low heat. I'll just do 2 cups and that's it. If I need to, then I'll add some more water. At this stage, I'll add something else, and that is some currants, some dry fruits. If you don't want, you don't add. I'm a sweet tooth like that, so I'll add that. It just brings something else to this dish. So we lower the heat and allow this to cook until the rice is soft. Okay, so we'll check. I've actually used 2 more cups of coconut milk or coconut liquid or water since the last time, and I think no, actually I can check. Just the texture that I want. And so at this stage I add my green peas and a little bit of salt, just a little bit. I can't tell you the flavor that I'm perceiving or the aroma that I'm perceiving here. Just the right balance of everything. You know, at this stage I'll take out the prawn head. It has performed its role. And I just give the peas just 2 minutes, and that's it. Our coconut curry rice is ready, and I'll be serving this with some roast chicken I have and a bit of coleslaw, and that's it. I mean, the sweetness of the dry fruits, the flavor of the fennel, the curry, the coconut just makes this rice dish very special. Now, have you subscribed to my channel? I'm hoping you do, and I just promise that I'll be here with a lot of recipes, practical recipes for you to try out. So we leave that just 2 minutes and we turn off the heat. Yeah, this is just the way I want it. The grains are not clumpy, but they're soft and nice. So I'll dish a little bit for myself. So we kind of have double portion of protein here, but you can just stay with the rice on its own because I have some prawns in it, but I just wanted to do this extra and add some roast chicken. And then some coleslaw, which I had made. I mean, you look at this and you might just think this is fried rice with less bell peppers and the rest in there. I mean, I have bell peppers in my salad. So you take 1 spoon and you're asking, what did I just taste? It is coconut curry rice. So there you have it, coconut curry rice. You should try this.